Water is the cradle of life. It feeds all living beings, nourishes the earth. It flows, converges into rivers, lakes, and oceans. Under those waters lies adventure. Beneath those swirling waves lies unimaginable treasures, lost secrets. Welcome to our world. One our team has been chasing our entire lives. The way of water makes you and I abandon all fear. Unexplored depths call to us. They are begging to be discovered. We are here to split the seas wide open, to discover the depths, to explore the final frontier. To consumers, we are adventure. To the industry, we are solutions. Do not forget this. It drives us, moves us, motivates us, and infinitely submerges us in our work. You and I, we are chasing. What we do is we create, deliver, and redefine underwater drones. We do not simply see the future, we are endlessly chasing it. We embrace the untapped treasures of a world. The screaming desire inside to do more, achieve more, explore more, innovate more, strive more, offer more, uncover more, capture more, live more. To be more than you ever could have imagined. Discover the depths and unlock them within yourself. Chasing. Explore the unexplored.